Good evening, everybody. This is filler number 5 for the air compressor. It's 10 at 279. Top spot one's one on the main. We're going to copy our list. We're going to go live. We're live at 8:20. That's 8:20. We're going to paste our list. We got 10 items on our list. We're going to roll the dice. Need a 4 or higher. 8:21. We'll roll the dice. Got a 9. 8:21, 9 times. Here we go. That's 1. Still got 10 items on our list. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After the 8th time, we still got 10 items on our list. The dice calls for a 9. We got Sophia on top, Theo on the bottom. It's 8:21 for our final time. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. After the 9th time, we still got 10 items on our list. We got spot number 1, Samantha McCormick. You are the winner. Congratulations. Here's our verification code. It's 8:21. Let me get back up here while I can go done. We are done. We're done at 8:22. It's 8:22.